Now, when I'm not thinking up ideas for books or writing books, I'm usually reading books or practicing my kazoo. What do you like to do? Well, you might have seen some of my books before. Skunk agus Muireann and Lara Shuffy Skunk. This is a book about a skunk and his little friend Muireann, and they're both pretty stinky. New and Lara Shuff, Chíobháin's Know-It-All Almanac, which has everything you need to know about growing food and cooking it yourself at different times of the year, full of food facts. So those are 2 books that I've written. But I always think about what makes a good book. I really like baking and watching cookery shows on TV, and it got me thinking, what's the recipe for a great book? If I think about my favourite books, what are the things that make it great? I want you to grab a book, a piece of paper, and something to write with, and join me as we try to figure out the great book recipe in the Great Book-Off. Fiach mi sé 3 lear le núsáid sa níos anseo. How Billy Brown Saved the Queen, Stray agus Cábhail Puffin beag. Is féidir libh sé 1 lear is smaile le fiacha. You can use any book you like. Let's imagine that we're baking a book in this bowl. What are the ingredients that we need to make this book great? Well, some things that make a book really good are things like having a hero, a sprinkle of jokes. I always like some jokes in a book. Maybe some magic, some danger, an adventure, a mystery, a villain. If I mix those around, what kind of a great book would that make? Well, I think a very famous book series called Harry Potter has all of those magical ingredients. But what I want you to do is to take a book, it can be your favourite book or the book you're currently reading, and think about what the ingredients are that make it good. So what you can do is you can put the book in the bowl, cover it with a tea towel, and have your friends guess from the ingredients that you're putting in what the book is. Or you can just have a discussion about the book and talk about what kind of ingredients you think make this book great. First of all, this is a book by Patricia Ford called Stray. Cad atá go maith faoi Idis and Lara seo. What makes the recipe of this book good? This character has come from a land far away and has a new start in Ireland, which is kind of exciting. He's learning about the new things that he's never seen before. He's seeing Ireland for the first time, which is kind of an interesting story. Also, there's danger in this story. There's a villain. That's a good ingredient. A little sprinkle of villain is always good. There's a really nice story about friendship in it. That's kind of nice. That warms up your book. And we learn kind of a few nice things in it. That home is where the heart is. And there's a nice kind of feeling of family in this book. So, swish them around, give it a whisk. You get a fantastic book recipe. How Billy Brown Saved the Queen by Alison Healy and illustrated by Fintan Tate. So, this is a book that's jam-packed full of good ingredients. So, what are the ingredients that are in this book? Well, I had to think about it. We put this book in here. What makes it a great book? What's the recipe? Well, it has a royal visit. And not just any royal visit. A royal visit from a quirky queen. So mix that into the mix there. Now give it a good stir. Give it a whisk. We'll add a tablespoon of adventure. Always good. And misadventure. When misadventure is when things don't quite go to plan, and that could be pretty funny and it could make a good story. Then we'll add in lots of funny jokes along the way. Absolutely, always makes a good book. Again, this book has friendship in it, which is nice. Friendship between Billy and the quirky queen who comes to stay with him, even when he kind of doesn't want her to come and stay with him. This book also has a mathematical hero, which is Billy. He's great at maths. And that's kind of an unusual thing. So all really good books, I think, have a unique angle, something different, something new, something exciting, something you haven't seen before. That's really important for the recipe. So we put that in there. And it has a maths dilemma, which is a kind of a problem, I suppose, in the book. And most good book recipes have some sort of a mystery or a problem in the middle. So we'll whisk them all together. And that is the recipe for How Shall Lily Brown Save the Queen? Cábhfuil Puffin beag. Now, this book is also in Asperla. Where are you, Puffin? And it's about a little Puffin. So Shpíte Jerry Daly agus Erica McGann, they wrote this book. So fiach ní seach sa leabhar seo, we'll have a look in this book and see what the ingredients are. Okay, cod, a dhéanann an leabhar seo spéis síolta. What makes this book great? Well, we'll pop it in the bowl. Oh. And we'll see what the recipe is. Okay, so sa leabhar seo, in this book, tá cordias, friendship, we'll add that in. Give it a stir. There's love, which is often in books, and it's a nice kind of a warm thing that makes a book kind of feel special, I think. There is a dilemma. Dun dun dun. And what's the dilemma? Cábhfuil Puffin beag. Where are you, Puffin? Where is Puffin? There's the idea of home, which is a nice idea. There are lots of seaside animal pals that we meet along the way, and they add to the sense of adventure. Mix that in there now. A fluffy Puffin, which is always very cute. There's an island and a family. And those are the ingredients for a great story called Cábhfuil Puffin beag. So, every book, these 3 books, all have different ingredients that make up the perfect book recipe. So, I want you to have a think about the books you're reading at the moment or your favourite book and think about what the ingredients are. And you can write out your recipe if you like, or draw out your recipe, or mix it up in a bowl with bits of paper like this, and you can play a game with your friends where they have to guess what the book is. Just cover the bowl, put the book in a bowl, and add the ingredients and see if they can guess what the book you're talking about is. It's kind of a fun way to think about what makes a book good and why you like a book. It's kind of a wacky way of doing a book review, I think. Visit www.childrensbooksireland.ie/resources to find the Class Reads project. There you'll find lots of videos from artists like this one, games, activities, and other resources including reading lists that you can use to get to know some more books. Thanks for watching! Until next time!